Hello everyone, my name is Namra Ravani and in today's video we are going to talk about the distortion. So these are the content that we are going to talk about in this video. First one is what is transmission impairment, and distortion is a part of transmission impairment. Second one is what is composite signal. First we need to understand about the composite signal to understand about the distortion. How to prevent distortion, and fifth one is method to prevent distortion. So the transmission impairments consist of three parameters. First one is noise, second one is attenuation, and third one is distortion. But what is transmission impairment? Transmission impairment occurs when the received signal is different from the transmitted signal. As we know, a signal can be transmitted as analog signal or it can be transmitted as a digital signal. In analog signal, due to transmission impairment, the resulting received signal gets different amplitude or the shape. In layman language, we can say that the signal that we have sent and the one signal that we have received may differ in shape or size due to noise, attenuation, or distortion. Now, second one is what is composite signal. As previously I have said that we need to understand the composite signal to understand the distortion. And composite signal consists of a multiple sine waves of different frequencies. So, what is distortion? Any change in a signal that alters the basic waveform or the relationship between various frequency components, it is usually a degradation of the signal. As in a figure, as in an image, we can see the distorted signal that we have received at a receiver end. Now, let us understand the deeply of the topic distortion. Sender's side, let us assume that we have sent a composite signal to a receiver side. Now, these are the sine wave that a composite signal consists of. These all are of different frequencies. Now, at the receiver side, we are going to receive the same sine wave, but the phase shift is different. So, as a result, we are going to get a signal a distorted way, a signal that is getting distorted, as we can see in the image. The distortion is a main parameter that interfere the communication, so it is very necessary to prevent it. So there are some methods to prevent distortion. Methods to prevent distortion. First one is equalizer. The equalizer is a device that attempts to reverse the distortion introduced when a signal is transmitted through a channel. The main purpose is to reduce intersymbol interference. Or an amplifier or a repeater is needed to boost the strength of the signal. A signal should be maintained at a level higher than the noise so that error will not be generated again. And amplifier or a repeater can be used. So, in second point, we need to use amplifier or a repeater again and again at a certain distance to reduce the effect of the distortion. These are my references that you can visit. And thanks for the watching video.